2022 Bowman Chrome Sapphire 2-box random team number 1. First time doing this soft 6. Here we go. Teams. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6 times on the dice. Contestants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, it's real, says the Kale. It's real. I figured it was, but I just gotta make sure. I mean, I'm saying it like multiple times anyway, so if it was a bad word, you got me. 6 times in the dice. 6 times. You take risks. Take risks here at Buzz. Living on the edge. There she blows. Oh, really? I had no idea about that, Nearmans. I've never even heard of it before. Pod Parash. Pod Parasha. Pod Parasha. All right. Let's open it. This is exciting. This is exciting. Here, let's get top loaders too. Minty Fresh, what'd you get? Ooh, you got the Twins. And the Nationals. Wow, Minty. Wow. All right. If you want to make any trades, do it now or forever hold your peace. We're obviously going to do more of these, so we just got this in stock now, so this will be fun. This will be fun. I like that color. I like that color. We like that color. Yeah, boy. It's a good color. All right, if you want to trade, do it now. These cards are pretty nice, actually. Jordan, you do not need to apologize. Nothing but love. We're all good vibes and love around here at the Blez Factory. No need to apologize whatsoever. All right, here we go. Here we go. Any trades? No? Yeah, they have Eric Brown Jr. I would assume that he's in here, Mr. Cross. Oh, yeah, for sure. Then we just got it in stock. All right, good luck to everybody. Here we go. Let's rock it. Veras going to start us off for the White Sox on a first. Yeah, this is Bowman Chrome Sapphire. What did I say? Did I say something? Bowman Chrome. Ooh, Simon Juan. It's so nice in the blue for the Mets. I like it. Alexis Hernandez on his first. Daniel Cueva. Bobby Witt. We like Bobby Witt. Oh, man, this is great. How many colors are in here? That's a lot of color. I thought there was just going to be one. Is there two? Adele. There's Yandry on his first. Very nice. All right, there's a couple nice color. There's orange and there's yellow in here. Yeah, let's do the orange first. Wow. There's orange and yellow. Let's do the orange. Let's just get to it. For the A's. For the A's, it's Pache to 75. Oh, so the orange in this is to 75. Okay, got it. Check. Mental note, check. I have no idea, Jordan. Pache to 75. Let's go Maggio for the Oak. There's a yellow coming up. What is yellow to? There's Mejia. What is yellow to? Who's behind Junior Perez? It's a first. For the Orioles, Prieto. Wow, that could have been Jackson. We could have been a contender. To 50. 19 to 50 on Caesar. Wow. For Henny and Penny. Imagine if that was our boy Jackson right away. Woo! That would have been spicy.
Want to do a full case of this next together?
Yes, please. Yes. Oh,
Guys,
there's a third color in this box. Wow.
Random team full case of it next, 100 per.
Carson Williams for the Rays to 99. Yeah, this is great.
I'll line it.
Ooh, and there's Vaquero. Nice. Yeah, this is great. This is a lot. I like this stuff. There's a lot of this is.
We only got a few of these.
Well, we're gonna run out today.
All right, Manu, let me get it. Let me get a case.
We're gonna run out today. We only have a few of them. We're gonna run out today. So get involved. Have fun with us here at the Blaze Factory. We're gonna do some Sapphire, some Bowman Chrome Sapphire. There's the Torque. The Torque is here. Alec Thomas, rookie. Zach Veen. There's Gabriel Arias for the Guardians. Ooh, we have color in the back there. Looks like some sort of like turquoise, aqua maybe. Alvarez, Bryce. Quarters in session with the Judge. James Wood, Lindor. Not many firsts in this handful. There's De Jesus to break the streak. Yankees. It's Judge.
No way.
To 99. Judge, these cards are really nice, bro.
Yeah, dude,
these cards are really nice.
Yeah.
Judge to 99. You could just peel that off, you know.
$10 case next.
Judge to 99. And then our final card is, what's your name?
Here, I'm lining it.
All right, we're going to do a recap in a second here. Let me just sleeve a few cards.
$30 spots. $99.99 per. Everyone gets a team in a full
Just do
$10
Can you just do
case.
100, please? This is Blez. Just write 100. 99, 99, 99. This is Blez baseball, not Blez 1.
That's
all right.
$99.99 per full case. There it is. We're doing it right
here's
now.
Here's the recap.
Brown dog.
Bobby Witt, Vaquero, Torkelson Williams to 99, Judge to 99, Prieto to 50, and Pache to 75. That was the break. Thank you for joining.